Every advertiser, everyone who is running the Google ads, they just wants to see that our competitors, yes, our competitors, what kind of ads are they running, where are they running ads, when are they running ads. Along with that, they also want to see what kind of ads are being made in their industry, right? Or what kinds of ads are running currently, which helps them to create their ad strategy. And they can also make changes in that so that they can do better. Now friends, how this will happen? Generally on Facebook, everyone knows that there is a Facebook ads library, right? And there, if any person goes and enters the name of that advertiser or the name of that brand or product, then if any ads related to that are running, so that is shown, which we've taught in the Facebook course and also in the upcoming course. And let me tell you that the Facebook ads with AI. So the latest course on Meta Ads AI is coming soon, so please subscribe it. And click on the bell icon to ensure you don't miss any important videos or courses. So now if we see, so it is very important to keep an eye on our competitors and the ads in our industry and always try to stay ahead of them. So today's video is very important because I'm going to show both ways to do this. It is a completely free method which Google gives you so that you can see the ads that are running, the ones you want to see through this method, right? And second, I'll also tell you about a paid tool, okay? It has both a free and a paid version. And I'll also tell about third-party platforms like Google, Facebook. There are 9 platforms and their competitors. And tools of AI industry, AdSpy tool is biggest tool of the world. So why am I telling you both ways today? Because there are a lot of people who wants to know the method so that they can do the course free of cost, as they can do AdSpy or competitor spy. And many a times people wants to know the good paid tools as well, right? So everyone has their own requirements. Okay, you should watch this video till the end so that you all should know everything very well, that how you can spy on your competitors. Are you understanding? So for that, as you can see, I have come on the computer screen. First, we'll look at the free method, okay? And we'll see the paid method later. Okay, now as you can see here, this is the Google Ads Transparency Center, right? So you can simply type Google Ads Transparency Center on Google. Is it clear? And now you can see in front of you, this site will open up adstransparency.google.com. It's Google's website. And now here you can see ads transparency for a safe and open internet means everything is transparent and open. Okay, so everyone can see it. Now here, I will tell you one method. Now here I have opened Google and simply I have searched for website design company Delhi. Let's say I have a website designing business and I need to run ads in Delhi. So I have searched a website design company Delhi. And now here I can see some companies that are running ads. Now what should we do here? Here you can see 2 things. Search by advertiser and the website name. If you know the name of the website, then you can enter it here. And might be if any ads that are running on that website URL, then they will show up. Or you can also enter the name of the advertiser. So how will we know the name of the advertiser? Now see, here it is showing of the sponsored one, right? 3 dots are coming, I'll click on it. As I'll click, a page of my ad center will open. Now what is in this? Let's see. So here the topic is web design and development. And now you can see about the advertiser. So in this you will find the information of advertiser. Why is this information here? Because the person who is running this ad has done the advertiser verification on Google, which is very important. If you want to become the professional performance marketer or a Google ads expert. So whenever you are running the ad of any company, brand, clients, or even maybe of your own, so make sure to verify their advertiser. This will keep your business safe. And you will not face problems of suspension or many other problems like that, okay? So here, the advertiser who is verified, right? Only his name and details will appear. And you will not be able to see of anyone else, alright? So here, the advertiser's name that is showing is Yogesh Kumar and the location is India. Okay, his name is Yogesh Kumar. Now if I want, then I can copy his name from here. So I've copied it. Okay. Now I will go here to the Ads Transparency Center. And now here I will paste it, okay? And here I will enter it. Now as soon as I will enter here, right? So here I have. Press the enter, now you can see. So it is showing on all the formats and everything. if its formats is either like image, text, video, or whatever ads might be running, or it is running on Google Map, or maybe of the local business, or maybe running on the YouTube, or running on any other different platform in the format everywhere. It will show all platforms like Google Maps, Google Pay. It will show these options like Google Play, Google Shopping, Google Search, YouTube, all of them. Okay, so you can see in show in India, or you can select any other region where you want to see. And also you can even select the day and time when you want to see, or you can see the data. Now see here, can you see the ad? Is it visible? And when I have searched it, then this ad was showing up here, right? So in this way, now they are showing of the different places and different placements that of where the ads are running. And it's not necessary that this advertiser is only running this ad. It may be that it is the account is there and he is running multiple ads from it in different categories. So it's possible that there are ads running under his name. Then it will also show that, and it will also show other also. And in this way, you can very easily enter the website, right? And it will show the website of your competitor also. Or you can enter the advertiser's name. So you can enter the details and every other things related to your industry, then it will show everything. Now there is also a paid method. This one was free and easy method. And if Google is telling, so what's more transparent than that? Now there is a tool called bigspy. Okay, so I am giving the link of the tool in the description. You can use its free trial, there's no problem. So what is the best thing about this tool? Yes, see here on this one platform, you can find Facebook ads, AdMob, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Yahoo, Unity, and many more things. So all these different platforms are there, like YouTube and other platforms. You can do ad spy of them. And these have different features, okay? Here you can see everything. Now what exactly it is? So I will do login here. Okay. Let's log in here once. So now I will log in here by using my email ID only. I logged in using my email ID. Let's move on. Now when you will see here, so as you can see, this entire dashboard has opened in front of me, right? In this way. And if you have different industry like e-commerce or an online brand, or if you need to do this for non-gaming apps, gaming apps, then here you can do this. Now I will confirm this. And now I will select e-commerce and brand, and then I'll confirm. Now this will search and show me the data based on e-commerce and online brands, right? Now see here, there are different types of ads, their popularity, their impressions, duration, when they started, when they last appeared. It's showing everything here. And now here you will be able to see the text ads, social pages, or maybe you can also select from which time you have to see, or you have to see new ads only. Or even you can also select on the basis of the sites like Shopify, WooCommerce and other as well. Okay, so it will show you of whichever you want to see of Facebook or of Instagram. So you can click on this. I have opened the free version now. When you are on the paid version, many features will be enabled. Okay, so here I haven't taken any free trial or anything. I haven't taken the free version either, which is although free, but still you will get some features in it. Is this clear? I just showed you the dashboard. So now in this way, you can just imagine that how much data will be there, right? Now can you understand how big the platform of bigspy is? It is like among the top companies in the world. Why does it come? I want to show you that. So see here. Because one thing is that you can easily see the data of various other companies. Just imagine you are able to see over 1,000 million different creatives here. I mean, just imagine you will get how many new ideas here. Okay. You can see the successful ads that are running. Based on them, you can do your own planning. Okay, their user base is very good. Besides that, here is the creative library, and you can also do full ad tracking as well. Inside this, you can search for things in every way according to niche or according to the category, ads, creatives, and various other things as well. Now I will not go too much into the paid tools. I have only mentioned this because people need a reliable and good paid tool which can be helpful for them. So you can keep an eye on your competitors, understand what's happening in the industry, and improve and move faster. And there are many more features given here. I've given the link. Go ahead and check it. You can explore that. All right. Now if you are running Google ads, then look at the competitors. And if you have to see ad spy, then Google is a free method. Okay. And this is a paid tool. Now it's your choice which method you want to use. But this will definitely help you. Thank you.